Hello guys, Ulefone is officially introducing 3 brand new rugged smartphones designed for durability, performance and everyday readability. Let's take a quick look at the RugKing 2 Pro, 3 Pro and the 4 Pro and see what each model brings to the table. Let's start with the Ulefone RugKing 2 Pro, a rugged smartphone built for users who need reliability in tough environments. This model focuses on solid everyday performance combined with Ulefone's well-known durability standards. The RugKing 2 Pro features a reinforced rugged body, making it suitable for outdoor work, construction sites and active lifestyle. It is designed for withstand drops, dust and water exposure, ensuring dependable use in challenging conditions. With a large display for comfortable viewing and a long-lasting battery, the RugKing 2 Pro is ideal for users who need a practical and durable device that can handle daily tasks without worry. It's a great choice for those looking for a balance between toughness and usability for a low price. Next up is Ulefone RugKing 3 Pro, which builds on the foundation of the RugKing series with enhanced performance and features. The RugKing 3 Pro offers improved hardware capabilities, making it more suitable for multitasking, demanding apps and extended daily use. Its rugged construction continues to meet high durability standards, ensuring resistance to harsh environments. With a powerful battery and a clear, easy-to-read display, this model is well suited for professionals, outdoor enthusiasts, and anyone who needs a phone that performs reliability through the long work days. The RugKing 3 Pro delivers a solid step up in the power while maintaining the rugged DNA of the series. And finally we have the Ulefone RugKing 4 Pro, the most advanced model in the RugKing lineup. This smartphone is designed for users who demand higher performance, stronger durability and more advanced features in a rugged device. The RugKing 4 Pro comes with a robust exterior with the upgraded internal hardware, delivering smooth performance for both work and entertainment. Its large battery ensures extended usage with frequent charging, while the reinforced body provides confidence in extreme conditions. Whether you are working outdoors, traveling or simply need a phone that won't let you down, the RugKing 4 Pro stands out as a flagship option in the RugKing series. All 3 models, RugKing 2 Pro, RugKing 3 Pro and 4 Pro, are now officially launched and available as a part of the Ulefone AliExpress launch event. Be sure to check out the event page for detailed specifications, launch offers and special promotions. Link to each model and the event page are available in the description below this video. Until next time, bye.